In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the cash flow planner in QuickBooks Online. Managing your cash flow is one of the most critical aspects of running a business, and QuickBooks Online makes it easier than ever with its cash flow planner. This tool helps you visualize your cash flow, plan for the future, and make informed decisions. Whether you're tracking historical trends or forecasting upcoming inflows and outflows, the cash flow planner is designed to give you a clear picture of your financial health. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the option labeled Dashboards. This will take you to an overview of features, and from here you'll need to locate and select the Planner tab. If this is your first time using the planner, you'll see a button that says Start Planning. Go ahead and click it to begin. Now, give the system a moment to load. Once the workspace is ready, you'll see the cash flow view displayed on your screen. This is where the magic happens. The first thing you'll want to do is review the historical view of your cash flow. This will help you spot trends and better understand your financial patterns over time. Next, explore the different viewing options by switching between the cash balance and money in and out views. These views offer different insights into your cash flow, so take your time analyzing each one to get a full picture of how money is moving through your business. For even more detail, hover your mouse over the graphs shown on the screen. When you do this, specific amounts and dates will pop up, giving you precise information. This is especially useful for pinpointing exact moments that impacted your cash flow. If you scroll further down the page, you'll find a tabular format of your cash flow data. This detailed line-by-line breakdown allows for a deeper analysis of your finances. It's a great way to examine individual transactions or trends that might not be immediately clear in the graph view. Now, let's dive into planning. To add a planned inflow or outflow, simply click the Add Item button. This is where you can simulate how upcoming expenses or income will affect your cash flow projections. Be sure to label any added items clearly so you can easily keep track of different scenarios you're working on. Once you've added an item, you'll notice that the projected cash balance updates automatically to reflect your changes. From here, you can adjust the amounts or dates of your planned transactions as needed. This flexibility allows you to compare outcomes and make smarter decisions about how to allocate your resources. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use the cash flow planner in QuickBooks Online to stay on top of your finances and plan for the future with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.